In this changing business world, end users and office locations are changing rapidly. FOSHAN Orcco Furniture Co. Ltd. is still unremitting efforts, analyzing market as trend, and striving to produce more suitable for the office furniture market products. Founded in 2011, the company is headquartered in FOSHAN City, covering an area of 16,000 square meters with more than 130 employees. Orcco has passed ISO Quality Management System certification, BC and FSC certification. Products can pass BIFMA test, N1335 test, and GRS environmental protection standards, etc. Orcco unique products have Chinese patents, EU patents, and US patents. It is a furniture manufacturer integrating research and development, production, and global sales. Our VIP global clients include Staple, Now Steel, Migros, AJ, Hilton, Four Seasons, Marriott, and others. Compared with other suppliers, Orcco is your reliable partner, and our resources and efforts are focused on helping customers plan for the future, providing competitive products and services that increase customers' profit and build your brands. Orcco has rich experience in R&D with 10 years. Our R&D team is more than 20 people, developed more than 70 projects successfully. At the same time, we have cooperated with 5 international design teams, which are Oscar Boffin Design Studio in Italy, Polandage Design Studio in Germany, Allegri Design Company in Spain, BN Design Studio in Italy, and Max Dopa Design Studio in Poland. Orcco invests more than 5 million renminbi each year in product development and marketing, providing excellent products to customers and being succeed. To enhance Orcco's competitiveness, we use an ERP order system and a CRM customer management system. In terms of quality control, the factory strictly follows the ISO production management system and success management on the production site to control the production process. At the same time, the test lab is supporting a complete set of BIFMA testing equipment and methods. In terms of delivery, through the scientific contract review process, formulate a reasonable delivery time to ensure that the goods are delivered on time to satisfy customers. Provide marketing materials services for wholesalers, retailers, and project customers. In order to reduce customer operating costs, speed up operations, and help customers succeed, Orcco has become one of the largest exporters of office and standing chairs in the industry, serving more than 500 customers worldwide. If you're looking for unique and most competitively priced office chairs and standing stools, please contact us.